Hi friends, this is Umarani welcoming you to my research page. So I think yesterday I told you about the exploratory and experimental research, and today let me tell you about correlation and descriptive research. Okay, so what is meant by correlation? It is just explaining the relationship between variables and how they are interacting with each other. Correlation means how they are in that relationship, how they interact only we will study, right? So that type of research is called as correlation research. Okay, so we all know that there are two variables, performance and production. The more they perform, the employees perform, the more will be the production. This is a known fact. Yes? Okay, now I want to check whether in particular Ashok Leyland company the performance employees is good and whether it has a correlation with the production. If I want to check, then I can go for correlation research. So here I will just compare the performance of the employees by just giving them questionnaire and getting details about the production. All that I will get. Maybe after training their performance might be better, something like we have to find out and find out whether there is really correlation between performance as well as the production. This is a very simple research. And the next one is called as very many of us will be using only this research. It's called as descriptive research. The word itself says we are in depth teach in depth we will study about that area of research. That is meant by descriptive research. Suppose I want to know how the tribal people live and what is their means of livelihood and what is their culture. If I want to learn all that, definitely I have to go. Now that corona pandemic period we are undergoing, so I just want to check how these tribal people health is, are they affected and how they are overcoming that. I want to make a study. Definitely I have to be that in that place. Okay, so tribal area I have to go. I should see how the people are living there and how they are yearning for their livelihood and what is the culture they are following in their life. All this we can study if I go there and be there in their place for some time, and then only I can collect all the information study. This is called as descriptive research, where we are describing in detail either about the people or about that whatever problem we have undertaken, and see that try to give a justification these are all the problems these people are undergoing and how the government should take care to revamp their livelihood. All these problems if I put it in the research form, maybe in the open access journal, if I publish, if the government comes to read that my journal, maybe they will try to gives a solution for the problems that is being faced by these and the tribal people. So with this I will wind up today. Meet you again tomorrow. Thank you.